Today, we're diving into something that looks confusing at first, but it's actually super simple once you get it. We're talking about mixed numbers and improper fractions. Have you ever seen something like 1 3/5 and thought, what even is that? Don't worry, you're not alone. So what is a mixed number? A mixed number is exactly what it sounds like. It's a mix of a whole number and a fraction. So 1 3/5 means you have one whole and 3/5 more. Let's look at another one. 2.5. That means 2 whole things and 1 half more. If you count up all the halves, there's 5 halves altogether, which brings us to improper fractions, where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So the 2.5 we just had, the improper fraction will be 5/2, or 5 halves, as it is the total amount of segments you have. Just like before, we counted it up and we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means in total we have 5 segments, so 5/2. Here is a trick to calculate improper fractions. You multiply the whole number by the denominator, because this gives you how many fractions fit into the full circle, and then you add the numerator, so how many extra fractions you have. For 5/2, you do 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So have 4 fractions in the 2 wholes, and then you do 4 plus 1 equals 5, because you have 1 left over. 3 2/3, however, will be 3 times 3 is equal to 9, because you have 3 lots of 3 segments. And then 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, because you have 2 extra. So 3 2/3 is equal to 11/3. Now, what if you have an improper fraction and you want to turn it back into a mixed number? No problem. Just divide the top number by the bottom number, as this gives you how many wholes fit into the fraction. And then the remainder, that's what's left. So this example here, 7/2. You do 7 divided by 2, gives you 3 wholes, remainder 1. So it's 3.5. You can see this as if you draw a diagram with 7 halves on it. You have 3 holes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 left over. So 7/2 is equal to 3.5. Okay, your turn. Can you turn 9/5 into a mixed number? 9 divided by 5 is equal to 1 with 4 left over. So 9/5 is equal to 1 and 4/5. What about 18/4? 18 divided by 4 is equal to 4 with 2 left over. So that gives you 4 2/4. But wait, we can simplify that. 2/4 is equal to a half, so really it's 4.5. Alright, let's recap. Number 1, mixed numbers are whole numbers and fractions. Number 2, to turn a mixed number into an improper fraction, you multiply the whole by the bottom and add the top. And lastly, number 3, to go back, you divide the top by the bottom. And remember, fractions aren't scary, they're just pizza you haven't eaten yet. If this helped to make maths make sense, please like and subscribe and click the notification button to be the first to see more videos.